Toyota Vios 1.5cc petrol engine car problem. The engine starts and then shuts down very quickly. I got inside the car and tried to start the engine. See if the car engine shuts down immediately after starting it. I checked with the scan computer and there is a fault code. P2118 throttle actuator control motor current range performance issues indicates a problem. The engine computer has detected a problem with the electrical flow required to operate the electronic throttle body, often causing the vehicle to enter limp mode, where acceleration is limited. The engine may stall or not start. Before replacing expensive parts, follow a systematic diagnostic procedure to identify the exact cause. Check the ETCS fuse. A blown fuse is a common and easily fixable cause of the P2118 code, especially after a recent jumpstart or battery replacement, your vehicle's fuse box, usually. From this perspective, this third fuse is the ETCS. I checked with a test light and the fuse is blown. I'm opening this fuse and showing it to you. Look, this ETCS fuse is blown. I will replace this fuse with a new one. Now I installed this new fuse. Now I will get inside the car. First I will clear the fault codes with the scan computer. Click on Clear Fault Code. I will clear all DTC data, so I will click on the OK button. Clearing fault code successfully, press red fault code again. The fault code has been cleared. There are no more fault codes now. Now I will try to start the car engine to see if the car engine starts or not. Now the car engine has started and there are no more problems, inshallah. There may be other reasons for the problem, such as damaged throttle actuator motor, wiring and connector issues, throttle position sensor, ECM malfunction. Thank you very much for watching the video.